can never get enough of dumplings. Not so much protein, but really rewarding and tasty. It's crispy. One has the cheese inside and beef and I think some onion. Let's try it with this mix here. Now that is amazing. Welcome to Beijing and the Hutong area. A lot of cool stuff around here. You can walk around and see the old style Beijing. I get recommended to try this place, Mr. Shi's Dumplings. Supposedly very nice. So let's go ahead and check it out. Really cool background here actually. Gonna sit down, pick a few different ones. Let's try what we can find. Wow, here we're getting some dumplings. So that is looking spectacular. Wow, here we have the deep fried ones. So as you can see, we've got all the amazing food in the background. We've got 3 flavors of dumplings, 1 deep fried and 2 boiled one. We have some beef, I think with mushrooms and cheese, and we have pork and also a chicken one. Really cool flavors. There's a lot of stuff on the menu here. I'm not gonna be able to try everything this time, but gonna take in one by one and mix it up. And we have some nice chili sauce here as well. Definitely need to come back and try all of them, but let's try with the first one. Take a look at this crispy dumpling. Let's have a bite. Oh, I think this was the beef one. Totally incredible. I'm gonna go a bit crazy here and add some chili oil. Spicy. Let's have a bite. That is juicy. Definitely love the chili oil. And we have another flavor here. Can't really see which one it is. Either it's pork or chicken. Let's have a try. Probably the chicken one. I think it can benefit from some spice here. More of a chili situation. Let's have a bite. Much better. We also have some soy sauce and some vinegar. Maybe not so common in Europe. I like to mix it, so let's put a bit of vinegar on. First, a bit of vinegar. And of course, some chili oil here. And a bit of a soy sauce. Guess you can't really see, but it's in there. Let's try the third dumpling here in the sauce. Looking really flavorful. The pork one. I think one had cheese inside, one had corn. This was probably the corn one. Let's go back to the chicken one here and mix it up with this one. Totally amazing. Yeah, these deep fried ones are definitely my favorite. Beef, cheese, very crispy. Not so healthy with a lot of oil, so I picked one of the boiled ones. But I think if I had to pick one, this one is definitely the best one. Definitely amazing. I think if I had to rank them, I'd probably have the beef, the crispy one first, and the boiled pork one here with a bit of the corn. And I think probably last one, the chicken. But definitely all good. Certainly have to come back here and try all the other ones. And that is amazing. I think I'm gonna take my time, enjoy this really, really nice late lunch. It's almost like 2 p.m. I was exercising outside in the park, actually practicing for the Spartan race with my friends, doing a lot of different movements, so I need some good energy. And then after this, I'm gonna bike home and probably cook something healthy. I think lamb racks, maybe with potato, we'll see. Like to mix it up so you can enjoy really tasty food. So if you wanna walk around and come to Beijing, you should check out these Hutong areas in the background, really nice. But of course, come to this really beautiful restaurant and enjoy some real Chinese food. So if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, me trying weird stuff, let me know what you want to see. And if you want to see more, give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.